This is TCL 505, and today I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup on this device. Here, select your preferred language. If required, improve the interface accessibility. Then tap at the Start button. Now optionally you can set up your mobile network, insert a SIM, set up the mobile network properties, but I'll skip this step for now, which you can do as well, and figure out all the SIM card stuff later. Here you can also optionally connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network, or you might as well just prefer the offline setup and continue without network connection. This way the setup will take way less time, so I'll go with, offline setup option. Now, if you also didn't connect your device to an internet, you'll also need to set up the date and time. I recommend that you just go with set time automatically and set time zone automatically options enabled. Now, enable what Google services you would like to use and disable the ones that you don't. As simple as that. Here you can set up the face unlock feature, or simply lock the screen of your phone with your facial data, or you can skip the step once again. Then the system suggests that you still configure some kind of screen lock, PIN, pattern, or password, but you can skip the step also, and either do not lock your screen in general, or perhaps just do that later on. Now decide if you would like to enable the NXT Vision enhancements, such as image enhancement and video enhancement options. Then select the home screen style between classic and the app drawer. Agree on the terms of service. Decide if you would like to join the TCL User Experience Improvement Program, or you can skip this step. And well, that will be it. So the phone is set up, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.